Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a clean and organize with me refrigerator edition. I just had a party, my son's 6th grade promotion party, and so it's a mess and it's full of stuff that we don't need, stuff that we can organize better to fit in the space and know what's in there. So I gotta get it organized. This video is in collaboration with Clean with Ty. She is also doing a refrigerator clean and organize with me. She is a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids, and her channel is very similar to mine. She does a lot of cleaning motivation. What amazes me about her is she does videos in both English and Spanish, so kudos to her because doing it in one language is hard. So if you need to clean out your refrigerator and you need some cleaning motivation, girl, what are you doing? Keep watching and let's get cleaning. Anybody else, your refrigerator, like if water drips, it just makes this. If you have any really good cleaning tips for that, please leave them in the comments down below. But my son loves just touching everything, so we are gonna clean the inside and the outside of this refrigerator. So we're minus the chicken, and this is what we have left. So we're gonna go through everything and clean it up. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, so the first thing I do when I'm really trying to get my refrigerator clean is to take everything out, load it up on the counter and the island, and then I can really assess what I have in here and see all of the dirt and get it all cleaned out and fresh and ready to go. Okay, so I know on video it doesn't look that dirty, but in person, guys, let me tell you, I can see all of the dirt, all of the drips and the drops and the goo and the crumbs and etc. So it is dirty. Just trust me on that. Don't come for me in the comments. It's dirty. Here is everything that I took out of the refrigerator. That's a lot of stuff. Also, I need to change my filter because the 6 months is up. So I have a new filter. I put it up here. Then I need to replace it. So I'm gonna have my son help me because it's easier for him to hop in the back than it is for me to do so. So I'm gonna call him in. He's outside playing basketball with a friend. So I'm going through and figuring out what needs to be thrown away and what I'm going to keep. That Winco teriyaki sauce is disgusting. Do not buy it. Save your coins. It's not worth it. I like to keep our fruits easy access and ready to go for a quick snack because otherwise they will just sit in there and rot. This way my son will go in the fridge and I will as well and grab fruit all day long, which is way healthier than grabbing some chips. I use a little homemade spray to clean my refrigerator. It has some essential oils, a little bit of soap, some vinegar, and some water, and it does the trick really well. It's super important to get in there because, as you guys can see, there was something that spilled underneath there. So I definitely like to pull things out and move things around to really get in the surfaces that you can't just see if you're just looking at it without moving things around. Like I said, I need to change the water filter, so this is the easy way for me to get my refrigerator out of its slot. I pull it by the doors. Hopefully I'm not doing some long-term damage, and I have my son reach in the back and turn off the water. I go ahead and switch out the current filter, which was a little bit of a struggle, and then put in the new filter and have him turn the water back on, and we run the water and the ice for a few rounds just to get it all clean and clear. Now it's time to just put everything back in. I'm making sure to put things in an organized fashion so I know what we have in here, because it's very easy to let things go bad when you can't see what's in your fridge. So I try to be really mindful of how I'm placing things in there and stacking it neatly and nicely. So I am going to be putting the bread here in the refrigerator, but really I need to put the buns and the rolls in the freezer because I'm not going to use them anytime soon. As you can see, my freezer is jam-packed, so I got to get that cleaned up as well. So we are all done on the inside, and now it's time to work on the outside of the refrigerator. If you are coming from Clean with Ty's channel, I would love to have you join my squad as well by clicking that subscribe button down below, and go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know that she sent you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.